So I was really fighting with this lock. You have to have this latch in the up position, the key up, take the key out. Then you can see on top here, those are the tumblers. So there was 4 or 5 of them. So you press down on the tumbler and slide it out 5 times, and then the lock comes out. You just wiggle it a little bit as you rotate. Just like that, it's apart. Then you unscrew this. And it's supposed to line up here a notch with a notch in here. Mine doesn't line up very good and it allows it to rotate. I use an Allen wrench and a flathead screwdriver to get leverage inside the 8-sided hole to rotate it while I hold the back section still straight up. Once it's tight, I'll take the tumbler assembly and try to put it in there straight. Just kind of presses into place. Now it's in all the way and you can see the tumbler. So I guess you have to use a key to be able to unlock it. And there we go.